Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by the title, we're gonna go a quick get ready with me. I am so tired, but I will be using the new, kind of not so new, NARS Ignited palette. I bought this literally, I want to say like last month, and I have not used it or touched it or swatched it since I bought it. I'm trying to give you guys a close-up. This was like their holiday palette, and it was also a follow-up to the Wanted palette, which I did a video on when it came out last holiday, and I love this palette so much. So I went ahead and got the Ignited palette. A lot of people were saying that the Ignited palette looks just like the Wanted palette. I do see a few similarities, like in the matte shades a little bit, but other than that, I don't see any real similarities with these two palettes. So here we have the Ignited and here we have the Wanted. Oops. I don't really see it. But I have the Wanted palette out because Coconut Grove, which is like the darkest brown eyeshadow I've ever used, I'm gonna need it because this one doesn't have like a dark brown for my crease, which sucks. And also the Wanted palette has 2, 3, 4, 5, about 5 mattes. This palette, the Ignited palette, only has 3, and the rest are like shimmer, glittery, glitter. Yeah, y'all know I can't say that word. Glitter shades. They're different in that sense, which really gives me the impression that these palettes will work great together. So I'm really quickly gonna go ahead and do my brows. I cleaned brushes yesterday. I left all my brushes in the kitchen. I'll be back. Alright, I'm gonna probably just talk through the eye tutorial and speed through my face or do like a voiceover or something. I don't know. So I'm going into my Ignited palette and I'm gonna take this orangey, muted orangey color right here. These are the only mattes in the palette. This one's like a satin, but the rest are like glittery shade. Glitter, like they have glitter in them. And I'm just gonna take this orangey, like an muted orange. And I'm just gonna, ooh, hello, Mr. Pigment. And I'm gonna just blend that as my transition color. I want this look to be very soft, and yeah, that's the type of look I'm going for. Very soft, sultry, sensual eyes. Just gonna blend that up. I don't feel like this shade is showing up the way I would like it to. Like, I feel like as I'm blending it, it looks darker. Maybe it's just me. I don't know. I'm gonna take my old MAC 217. I need to go in there and get a new one. This brush is old. I need to replace a lot of my brushes. Not a lot, but a few. So I'm gonna go into the Wanted palette, and I'm gonna take okay, calm down. Coconut Grove, which is like the dark. I've never seen a dark brown like this. So I'm very light-handed with it. I'm very light-handed. I just get it on the brush, tap off that excess, and I'm honestly just gonna pop it into the outer corner. I'm not really gonna drag it too much into the crease. Look how dark that is. It's like almost black. You're like at the top, I don't like the way that color looks. I don't know why it looks like that. But this is my first time ever using this palette, so maybe I'll try a different primer next time. Next, I'm going to take this old flat beach cosmetics brush. With these NARS glitter shades, you really should use a glitter primer. So of course I'm going in with my Too Faced glitter glue. I love this stuff. Like, it's the best. So I'm going to go ahead and deposit that onto my lid. Just dab it on. Just so that these glitter shades can, of course, have something to stick to. Because the Fenty primer is tacky, but not enough for these. Like, I'll have glitter all over my face, and I don't want that. And I want the glitter to stick also throughout the day. So I'm going to go in with 2 glitter shades. So first we're going to start with this really pink one. Let's see if I can get the camera to focus on it. There we go. This really glitter pink one. Why am I whispering? And I'm going to go in with that. And I'm going to use that on the center and outer portion of the lid. Actually, let's try the finger and see how it pops. Ooh. Okay, we like it with the finger. We like that a lot. And for this, the rest of the lid, we're gonna go into these two. I'm gonna play around with these two for the rest of the lid. Give that pink some contrast. These glitter shades are so pretty. And just make sure we blend the colors into one another. Oh my gosh, this color is so pretty. So freaking pretty. I just wish that orangey shade came up better. Once I finish the rest of my makeup, I'll kind of be able to see. So I'm really quickly going to go with a sample size. I'm trying out different, like I said, I have really dry skin. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm trying from Sephora. I just want to get some samples. So I'm trying the Tatcha the water cream. I'm also trying Oregon's ginseng cream. And I'm trying First Aid Beauty's coconut water cream. The ginseng one, I'm not really seeing a difference. The coconut, the Hello Beauty one, I do feel like that's been helping if I use it like right underneath my makeup and like underneath my primer. I'm saying, like, if I just put that on and really get like a good amount of it on and then go in with my primer. I did notice one day I was at work and I'm like, wow, my skin doesn't look dry out underneath my makeup. It looks really like hydrated. So I'm gonna keep using that. And I've been watching skincare videos. So I've been watching, Jahiana has a great skincare routine. So I'm watching her, Stephanie Nicole, and Nitra B to really see what I can use for my skin. Stephanie Nicole, so like right all around my nose is like dry. And I also bought facial scrub. It's a lot. I'm gonna be working on it, and then once I find out what works for me, I'll just share it with you guys. So the next part of this video is just gonna be a voiceover, and I'm just gonna finish up the face, and we'll see what else we can do with these eyes. Alright everybody, really quickly, I'm going to go ahead and give you guys final thoughts on this palette. First of all, I love this eye look. I love my makeup today. This palette is, I don't know if I mentioned it in the beginning, I didn't. This palette is $59, okay? So, when the Wanted palette came out, to this day, I love this palette, you guys. I love the Wanted palette, like, I love it. I like this, but not as much as I like the Wanted. I think because the Wanted palette, I can just use this one palette and do a full-on look. This palette, you can't really do that. I kind of get why. So on the Wanted palette, there's maybe one or two of these glitter-filled shades. In here, they really expanded that formula in this palette. I really like the NARS glitter shades. They're kind of like their hard, what they call hardwire. I have one in the shade Pygar, which is like just, I love this. Whatever. Point is, I kind of get why they expanded that formula, but at the same time, I just wish these mattes worked better for me. The first shade I used did not, like, maybe next time I'll use a different base, but it just kind of muddied up there as I kept blending it and really piling it on, that you barely see it. It's, you could tell it's something there, but you can't tell it's that shade that I used. I really didn't like that. Even though I didn't like the way that shade showed up on me, I really wouldn't get this for the mattes anyway. It's all these glitter shades in here, even the shimmer. So this is like a satin. These two are like regular shimmers, but then these 6 are like those glitter-filled shades. They're so pretty. Honestly, I really will continue to use this just for those shades, to put them on my lids or even my inner corner. Like, so freaking pretty, you guys. It's so freaking pretty. So I would say you can still get the shades just for the shimmers in here. These mattes are nothing spectacular. They're honestly mattes you probably already have in your collection. But these glitter packed shades that NARS does are so beautiful that I justify spending $59 on this palette. And the packaging is so pretty. And you're getting a great bang for your buck. It is NARS, so all their products to me have been nothing but the highest of quality. But I just like this one a lot. But I don't like the Wanted palette. Has my heart though. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I'm really trying to get back on stable filming schedule, because that's just not my life right now. But I will try my best to at least upload once a week. I really want to stick to uploading every Wednesday, because that's what you guys are accustomed to me doing. But I'm gonna try to stick to that. I'm gonna try to stick to every Wednesday, making sure that I upload is up and ready for you guys. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you all in the next one. Mwah.